Hi guys, I'm Patrick WWDC and welcome to another episode of Learn iOS 10 Programming with Swift Free. So, this project is going to be really fun. You're going to have a map view on the screen, the text field on the top, and you're going to be able to write two names of city, address or anything, and then the app is going to pin them, so make an annotation for each of them and connect them with one straight line. It's going to be really cool, so let's start. First thing that you want to do is drag the map kit view onto the screen, just the full screen. Put the constraints for all of the sides, so it's actually going to be full screen. What did I miss? Top, trailing, leading, bottom. Okay, here, full screen. Let's grab the text field, put it on the top, stretched out throughout the whole width, constrain it left, top, right, and constrain its height, which is fixed, so you probably don't have to do that. You don't. So let's put the placeholder. Address. Enter the address. Let's place it in the middle, change the font. One really cool font that I think everyone should be using is this Helvetica. You have very cool thin looking and light. I like the thin more, but here I think that I'm going to use the light one. So that should be it from this. Let's open the assistant editor, which is the second one right here. Drag and drop these. First, import the map kit. Then right click or alt click, option click the map kit, hold the option click and drag it to the code and type map view. So now the map view is connected with this map view. So this line of code is connected to the map view, and also the text field do the same. So let's do the git delegate of both of them. So how are we going to do it? So when a person presses enter key on the text field, it's going to search for the place. So how is it going to do that? Well, first we need to set its delegate. And now UI text field delegate. So text field should return. Then text field dot resign first responder and return true. And we can print like searching address. We'll implement it later. Also set the map view delegate to self. So let's run it and see what we got. And of course do the MK map view delegate. So let's run it and see what we have. Okay, maybe not the 7 plus. Let's try with the SE, because this is too big. Let's close it. Okay, so the SE. So what do we have right now? So you press the text field, it opens the keyboard. Very nice. You type something like QWERTY maybe, and you press return. It removes the keyboard and it says searching address. This is just me trying out if it works actually. So this is working. Now how do we convert the name to the coordinates? So we do that by the geocoder. How do we do that? We import core location CLGeocoder dot geocode. Okay, we first initialize it. Dot geocode. The address string So what is the edge or string? It's the text field. So the text that is inside the text field is accessed by the property of text. And we need the completion handler. Okay, so the completion handler has place marks and error. In void, it returns void in. So if there is no error, we check if let place mark is equal to place marks dot first. If it is, we do the coordinate is equal to place mark dot location dot coordinate. So we set the first coordinates are equal to CL location coordinate 2D, and first coordinates set is equal to false. So now, if first coordinates set, if that's not true, first coordinates are equal to coordinate, and first coordinate set is equal to true. Not the one, we need this. If not, if it is set, we set it to false and to the map view, and we need to access everything with self because we are inside a block, so class variables access them by self. Dot add overlay, which is going to be the MKPolyline with the coordinates. First coordinate self dot first coordinates. Why did I write the S here? First coordinate and coordinate, and there are two of them. Now, and one more set of brackets, and now map view view for annotation. So we need that map view renderer function. Where's the renderer? Here, renderer. So we need MKPolyline renderer is equal to MKPolyline renderer for overlay renderer. Stroke color is going to be UI color, but let's say blue, and renderer dot width, line width is equal to 1, and return the renderer. Too many R's. And let's launch and see what happens. Okay, so last time we did the line between the Bristol and London. Let's do it again. And you can also write with your keyboard if you didn't know. You just have to go here, keyboard, use connect hardware keyboard. And you can even toggle the software keyboard by Command K. You see. So Bristol, it's the first one, and the second one is London. And it's not working.
Okay, so let's create that line. Bristol and London. Please work now.
And here it is. We can create it between the Oxford and London. And as you can see, it clears when it's loaded. Let's do it between the, let's say, Manchester and London. So it's working great. We can do it even between like Boston and London. So it's a long line over the ocean. But it's working well. Oh, actually, yeah, it's working. So that would be it from this tutorial. In the next one, we are going to place the place marks. So when we place the first one, so when you type the first word in, it's going to work. It's going to place the annotation. So it's going to say London, and then you type something else, it's going to say that, and it's going to connect it. And after that, when you type something else, it's going to clear everything. So it's going to be a cool little update to our app, so stay tuned for it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget share it with your friends. It's really cool how this works. And yeah, that would be it from this one. Enjoy the coding, and goodbye.